Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. I found one transformer and a circuit board from a old UPS. In this video, I will make a 12 voltage power supply using this transformer. The transformer can supply 5 ampere current. My first step is to find out the primary coil. On the primary side, there are 4 wires: black, green, yellow and blue. The black wire is ground wire or common wire, and the other 3 wires are coil wire. By checking resistance, we can find the primary coil. First of all, I need to set my multimeter in resistance measurement mode. Next, I measure the resistance between the common black wire and the other 3 wire. After 15 minutes of testing, I found the black and green wire has the maximum resistance. So I decide to use the black and green wire as a primary coil. Now I take a power cable to connect the primary side. I also use some electrical isolation tape to cover the wire. It's important because the primary side voltage varies from 220 voltage AC to 250 voltage AC. So it can injure you. After connecting all wire in primary side, I applied the AC supply in the transformer. To measure the output voltage, I set my multimeter in AC voltage mode and connect the wire with the transformer. But the output voltage is 5.7 voltage. This voltage is not expected voltage. So we need to do some modification in the secondary coil. When I checked the secondary side, I found something different. So I cut the isolation tape and you can see there are 2 coils in the secondary that are connected in parallel. So I need to separate the 2 coils and connect them in series. Then I will get double voltage in output. I separated the coil using my multimeter in continuity mode. I move one coil wire upward and another coil wire downward. Listen carefully. To connect the 2 coils in series, first assume that the left side wire is winding start wire and the right side wire are the winding end wire. Now you connect the one coil start wire with the other coiled end wire, and the rest of 2 wire is your output. It's very easy if you use this strategy. Now the output voltage is double. By the way, don't worry about the voltage because this voltage is RMS voltage. When we convert the AC to DC, we will get more voltage than that. Now we need to make a full bridge rectifier to convert the AC to DC. I use 4 diodes, one N5408 and one capacitor 25 voltage 4700 microfarad. Following the diagram, it's very easy to build the rectifier. At first, I connected the 4 diode with the capacitor in output. Next, I connect the circuit with the transformer. After completing the connection, I test the output voltage. The output voltage is more than the 12 voltage, so now we can use this supply for our task. I use this supply to charge the lead acid battery. That's all for today. If you like this video, then press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.